Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this video, we're going to look at the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and why I think it is going to sell off this week. And it is one of my main setups in my trading analyst for the week ahead. Okay, so first off, we're going to look at it and uh, delete all the objects because I was doing my analyst before there, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at here. Okay, so we'll just zoom into the monthly charts. Like, if you've been following me for a while, I like to look at the monthly charts first. I like to see on the bigger picture where the market is going. Okay, and you can kind of see here on monthly charts, we are in a bit of a range bound market ever since 2016. We've got the bottom down here and we've got the top down here, or up there, sorry, exactly where price is coming now inside this monthly area here. Okay, so what I then do, once I've located the monthly area, where in this case I'm looking to sell, obviously, we'll zoom into the weekly charts and see if there's any weekly areas at the start or inside that monthly area. Okay, so what I can see here, exactly where we are now, is we are at this weekly area here, and you can see we've had a sell-off at this right at the top of this area before. Okay, peaked here, and then sold off. We did get an initial reaction at the bottom of this zone here, and it sold off for 3 weeks there, and then it's rallied back up. Okay, so what I'm liking this to happen next week is for this to sell off. Okay, daily chart has created the new high. We had the divergence. If you look at the daily charts, okay, price has created the price has created a new high here, but if you look at the MACD, it's still trending down. So this here, to me, is just a test of this high here, and it's going to sell off. If we look at the lower time frames for our charts, well, very overextended there, which is looking like it's going to plummet. And if we look at on our chart, we're starting to get divergence signals right at this area. Okay, so what I'm basically entering this trade as the market's open on Monday. Okay, so the setup will be speech profile. Let's remove that text area. So the setup's going to be, okay, current price, which is 88.9, but just on the open, I'm going to be taking this position. So sell CAD Japanese yen at 88.9 on what you want to wait for at least an hour after the market's open. Okay, so just after market's open, okay, whatever price it is. Okay, stop loss is going to be, I'm going to give this 130 pip stop loss. We're above that weekly zone. Okay, so stop loss is going to be 902, and take profit. Okay, I'm going to go for a take profit of around 85, and I'll show you that why I'm looking at that at the minute. Okay, take profit. Okay, remember, this is only my own positions. Trade at your own risk, but it is a very, very good setup. I'm just giving you a breakdown of why I think this is going to drop this week. And I'm usually pretty good with my predictions, especially in trades like this that stand out like your big toe. Okay, so you can pause the screen, you can drop that down. Okay, so I'll move that. So just to explain that again, why I'm looking to actually target the 85 profit area is just this area here. Okay, this was the last weekly swing low that caused a swing high, and if we'll zoom in to the lower time frames here, you can see we've got a nice area. I think it's just around 85 area. Yeah, so in and around that area is 85. So I'm expecting this to drop down. As it does, if this works out and this fails, the markets can continue down higher. If it breaks out of this area here, the 92 area, you can continue higher up in the longer time frames to these higher levels up here. Okay, so we'll have to wait and see what that happens. But short term, we take our trades on a Monday and we close on a Friday. Okay, very basic setup. Markets rallied up into this area. It may test this high here, may gap up on Monday and then sell off. We will see. But the daily, the lower time frames are well overextended. We're getting divergent signals at this area telling us that a sell-off is coming, and that's the reason we're taking it. Okay, so very good setup. If you want to get access to my full list of 20 setups, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Click the link below, get started, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a fantastic week.